Well, hello everyone. It is Everyday Ray here. Glad to chat with you. This is a rare moment where I'm actually doing a voiceover, but special moment. We're going to talk about some property that we bought. It's in Colorado, and it's about an hour south of Pueblo, near the town of Walsenburg, which you can see here up in the upper right-hand corner. And if you go about 5 miles outside of town, you'll see Lathrop State Park. And then in the lower left-hand corner is a little yellow section with a pin in it, which is our lots and where we have selected the primary build site. The property is part of a much larger River Ridge Ranch set of properties. We have lots 30 and 31, which you can see on the left-hand side. The one highlighted in green is lot 31, and that's where we're thinking of building a little ranch house out in Colorado on our ranch. It is a ranch. It has, like I said, two lots, 30 and 31. We've looked at many sites on the property trying to decide exactly where would be the best place to put a building and a home. And what we selected was a little patch of ground in the northwest corner. And one of the primary reasons for that is, as you can see on here with the arrows and the lines that go off the screen, they're actually views, sight lines to some of the nearby mountains, which you'll see in some of the videos to follow. But from that particular site, we can actually see three different mountain ranges or sites of interest in the mountains. And so we're looking at ways to position a house and a barn slash garage that will take advantage of those views. Had my daughter, Cassie, do some geophysical work, and she mapped out the property using USGS data. And you can see that this property has a little high point towards the bottom, the southern edge, and it goes, it descends towards the upper right-hand corner. But there's a little ridge, and that's one of the other reasons why that primary build site is the one we selected, is because it sits on a ridge, falls away to both sides, and gives us clear views of the ranch lands right below the ridge, as well as a higher viewpoint for the mountains in the distance. And then some really cool rendering of the land. This particular crazy rendering shows the angles at which the land tilts. So, for instance, blue tilts towards the west, and that sort of orangey color tilts towards the northeast. And again, it shows us that our primary site is on a high point with land tilting in opposite directions. So that's really what we're planning in a future video. We will start to talk about the types of houses or buildings that we're interested in, and give you a little bit more insight into the progress. But until then, here's a little bit of an intro into what the land looks like. So I hope you enjoy it and come back again in the future for a little bit more detail on what's happening at the ranch. Take care, everyone. Talk soon.